Hey guys, thank you so much for returning back to the channel Baba Tutorials. I hope you have been enjoying your day. And by that saying, we will quickly jump onto the video title. Okay, since you guys have already seen that we gonna divide this full name into two separation, which is first name and a last name, because it's a total full name we have, but we may need it in, s- like two different individuals, like first name and last name. So I'm gonna insert row here. First, I'm going to insert two rows. You can do it this way, or you can also do it through keyboard, which is Control plus after selecting the whole row. So we're going to type here first name. We'll give them the titles later. So right now you see that it's Emily Davis, which is the full name. We want Emily here and then Davis here. So it's very simple. All you need to do is select all the data from, make sure it is all highlighted from top to bottom. You can do this and then go to data tab, which is on the top, and then click on text to column. Once you click on text to columns, it gives you two options, delimited or fixed width. We'll check both the options one by one. First, we'll go into the delimited option. You click on next, and then it gives you numerous options which you wanna divide it into. So you need to find out the common value in all of your data cells in it. What common value we have is space in between those two names, because first is Emily and then there's a space and then Davis. So we're gonna select space and then uncheck tab. Now you can see that it has given one more line into it. All you need to do, hit next and then click on finish. It has separated the two names between first and last. So you can just rename it as first name and this is as last name. I'll just hit Control Z to undo to show you what does fixed limit does. So if you click on data tab and then text to column again, and then if you go with fixed width, it says that fields are aligned in columns with the spaces between each field. That means it will only give you an option if there is a space to help you fix that. If there is no space, if there is something else which can be comma, full stop, or semicolon, or any other value in between these, it's always recommended to use delimited, wherein you get all the option to separate them. If there is any comma in between, you can hit comma, and then if there would be any, it will give you the option here. Since there is no comma, we are going to use a space, hit next, and then finish, or you can directly hit finish. That's it, and in the next video, I'll tell you how you can add both of them in one column. Let's say there is a first name and the last name, you want them as full name here. We'll see that in the next upcoming video, not to prolong this video as of now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If it does help you, please click on like button. Have a great day. Take care.